Let's watch the Pingoo bird.
Okay.
Who is this? What's happening? What?
Oh, look, the pirated Pingoo bird piracy is a serious crime according to the copyright law. For more information, visit www.10play.com/anti-piracy. For your own
Restart.
safety and it's clear that you turn off your TV. You have 5 chances left.
Oh no, it's sad.
Hey, you'll turn off the TV now. You lost a chance and now have 4 chances left. Please turn off your TV or you'll lose another chance.
Restarting the against. Oh gosh, it's getting us angry.
Seriously, you're going to listen to us again? Come on, alright, 3 chances left. Will you ignoring us 3 times and something to bad happen? Turn off your TV, please.
Turn restarting.
Restarting again.
Oh no, he's mad.
Are you kidding me? You didn't listen to us again? Really, you're making us mad and wouldn't have to get mad. 2 more chances left. Turn off your TV. Answer me.
It's mad again.
Please turn it off, Nero.
Where did everything go?
Oh no, scary.
Okay, fine, we're really starting today on our last chance. If you don't turn off your TV in the next 10
That's not
seconds,
your
then not
scary
going to like
skeletons.
what happens next.
10 seconds. Turn off your television back on.
Yes. Come on, Max. No.
What's happening? No, not there yet.
Oh no, it's too late. Fine, you're asked for that.
Asked for what? What is the end?
I am not your hacking. Oh no. Pirated scary stuff consequence.
Oh no.
Jump scare incoming.
See you later, bro.